Okay, where are we headed, Omar?
So we're headed to Adams Motorsport Park in Riverside, California. So it's a go-kart track, but on Friday nights they open it up to the public, to like normal cars.
Yep.
And they host a time attack.
Okay.
So we're about to run it. We're about to throw down these relatively like high-powered cars.
Yep.
Go-kart track. So it should be pretty interesting. I'm not really sure how it's gonna go, but I guess we'll find out.
Yeah, from what I hear, it's a pretty big go-kart track at least, but still, it's going to be pretty damn tiny.
Yeah, I mean,
for these cars.
Exactly. You know, Porsche 911, M4, not exactly the smallest of sports cars.
No.
A lot of the cars that show up usually are like Honda S2000s and like
Miatas.
and smaller, you know, really like two-door roadster type cars. But, you know, I think it'll be fun regardless.
Oh yeah, car's looking great, by the way.
Thank you. It's really dirty right now, but I figured, you know.
Oh, white always looks dirty unless it's like freshly cleaned. It's always gonna look dirty.
That's true.
Car looks great. We got a few buddies coming out. It's going to be a contest. Excuse me, I'm all sweaty from the gym right now. We got to clean up real quick. But
just for show anyway.
Yeah, we got Jason bringing his McLaren, Augie's bringing an M2, Casey's bringing his manual F80. Got Omar and M4, and then me and the GT3. I wanted to bring out a couple more guys, but they couldn't sign up in time. It was all sold out. Toby wanted to bring the
registration closed up pretty quick on this.
Yeah.
So
Toby said he was going to surprise us and bring the E36.
Oh, really?
He's got an S54 swap E36.
Oh, dude, I've never seen him take that thing out. I always see it sitting in the garage or in the shop.
Yeah, he wanted to surprise us with that, but he couldn't sign up. But
heck
yeah, loser, slowest time of the day, buys a round of beers at Korean barbecue afterwards.
I think that's fair.
Yeah, it's gonna be fun. It's gonna be a good time. All right, let me clean up and we'll head over there.
Prepare my wallet for this.
Yeah. Just pulling up right now. Pretty interesting. Never been here before. This is gonna be obviously a first and a learning experience. All right, we just got here, checking in inside, checking out all the carts. Super cool stuff, man. So dope. There's, it's not turn one, but probably the widest turn right here, right? This is the widest turn of the whole course right here. So you can zoom in on that view. A little chicane back there.
Yeah, dude, look how much faster those guys are going.
Damn, that motherfucker tossed that bitch in there.
If I have the E36, I do that, but not in the M2. Not
yeah, TC on for me. I'm not trying to put my shit around a light pole. All right, so here is the lineup. Okay, we got Omar in the M4, Casey in the F80, like I already said, the GT3. Eli's not competing. Augie in the M2 comp. Jason in the Mac Daddy 570S. Yeah, it's gonna be fucking a shit show.
I want to get an idea of like.
So in my group chat, in my group of friends actually, we have track daddies. And a track daddy is basically, it's a mentor. You know, it sounds like a bad thing, but a track daddy is a mentor to the guys who are like newer to track days. Like Eli, I'm your track daddy. Casey's my track son as well. Omar doesn't even show up to the track half the time, so you know, he don't have a track daddy. Actually, Casey's my track son too. I got all my sons today.
Wait, Casey's right here. That's Jason.
Oh shit, Jason, my bad. I get them confused, you know? They look the same.
I don't want to speak out on this video, but
oh my god. But last time we were at Streets, Omar was faster than Augie, and Augie had been talking massive shit. Well, I gotta explain to him because it's going down again tonight.
Oh, bro, it's me versus all you motherfuckers.
True. But if you lose to Omar again,
that's not gonna happen though. It's not.
It solidifies the fact that he's your track daddy. Now, this track daddy is exactly what it sounds like. It's straight up talking shit, right? This isn't like an actual mentorship. This is, they're just trying to fucking go at it.
Just talk mad shit at each other. He started it, actually.
Yep, Augie did fucking start it.
It is what it is, bitch.
Augie tried to fucking haze Casey, Jason, Omar.
No, this guy.
Was he not, Casey? Was he not just talking?
I pushed them into tracking. Look at
hell.
You better watch out. I'm not able to tap that bumper. I was that bumper the entire track day. I didn't see shit.
Oh, god damn. Oh, shit. Okay, so yeah, we're gonna do predictions all day. I'll give you guys updated timetables with everyone's times, and yeah, we'll see if Omar can pull it off and remain the track daddy. So we're lined up, getting ready to do some parade laps. All the boys are here. A couple more cars behind me. Jason's the McLaren right behind me. And here we go.
I didn't really know what I was doing.
Car sounds good though.
Thank you.
Casey's on right now. We just got done with the first session. Omar ran a 52 in the M4. Jason didn't start his timer. I didn't either. I had the app out, but it never started.
I simply forgot.
Augie ran a 52.
51.
Shit, homie's flying.
Nah, bitch, correction, 51.
51, my bad, 51. Augie ran a 51. So after round one, heat one, Casey's in the lead, 49.999. Augie's in second with the 51.
Okay.
51 what?
51.8.
51.8.
51.8, and then Omar 52.
52.3.
Oh fuck! Here we go. Jason, your timer didn't start. My timer didn't start either, so we're not even on the board yet. But P0, let's go. Omar, give us your updated time.
51 flat.
51 flat. Augie?
49.1.
49.1. Casey?
I don't know.
47.2. Jason and I are still having problems with our fucking GPS is not working. I know, right? But they do timing here. It's not really official. It's not really official. They have a guy up there in a tower. He's got a stopwatch. He's basically clicking off times. Alessandro, what time you get? 48.6. Okay, hold up.
No.
What was your time?
48.
48 what?
4. With a stop. With my car stopping mid-turn.
Jason, you get a time?
48.
48 what?
Ask Eli.
Okay, okay. Well, I guess we'll have to wait. We'll just. Okay, so.
You got me by 0.3.
And what's your excuse?
It's not
Oh
an excuse,
shit!
bitch.
What is it? What is it?
Witnessed. I didn't have my car in MDM or traction control off, and it fucking stopped mid-turn. So
My car did the same shit, honestly. I mean, it wasn't, honestly.
stop.
Casey, what'd you finish with?
Witness over there.
What'd you finish with?
Now that 47.2.
47.2. You can top it. Alessandro, what'd you get?
48.2.
48.2.
48-1.
48.1. Damn.
That was close. That was close.
We're about to find out the results. We're waiting on them. Jason didn't get time, but we're gonna use the timer results that they're about to give us.
If Jason got slowest, I'm gonna feel a lot better, but still fucks me.
It's because with the McLaren, if your tires aren't up to temp, your ABS just kicks in.
Damn.
Just like Toby went off.
ABS kicks in.
Yep, you guys both have excuses.
Witnesses.
Well, I have the official times in front of me right here. Let's go ahead and go over the results.
Oh man.
Uncle, what the hell was that? Those are called for.
Augie, what was your official time? Unofficial, because this is like
unofficial.
GPS fucking, not even GPS, stopwatch. GPS.
48.4.
48.4? No, 47.4.
47.4.
Wait,
No, on mine it was 48.4. On theirs it's 47.
47.8.
47.8.
47.8. We're gonna give it to you because we're all gonna go off this sheet of paper.
Oh, okay, we're going off that. Okay.
Casey, what'd you end up getting?
46.8.
46.8. Yeah.
46.8.
Yep. Omar.
47-4.
I don't want to hear it. I don't want to hear it.
You got anything to say, Omar?
I mean, I'm just his daddy. What can I say?
Damn.
Shoot me now.
Damn. You feel me?
You feel me? Like.
And then Jason.
No comments. You have to.
No comments.
You have to
Okay.
speak with my, press I'm glad you pushed
Ah,
yourself.
shit.
This one got the slowest time.
He's about to buy us a yard long. What do you call it?
Make sure
You're supposed to protect this client.
Oh, yeah. So our boss CEO, Jason Chin here, brought out his McLaren,
One of those McLarens.
McLarens to the go-kart track,
McLaren.
and I mean, I thought we were gonna get spanked,
I thought you guys were too.
but I don't know.
Fucking
Apparently,
verga.
McLarens aren't designed for go-kart tracks, so.
It may or may not have been overheating.
Oh,
It's a 45-second lap.
Send a
We
message
did
to
3
McLaren
fucking
right now.
laps.
Tell them to
Address-
get their shit together.
And from McLaren right now. Shit on that.
Yup.
Thank you, Jason, for the drinks. Hey.